How's it, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're going to be moving on to a different build. The Barra that you saw us tearing down, like I said, that was for the resto mod build. Unfortunately, we're just waiting on a few things for that. So we are going to be doing two build series, one on the w126 and one on the resto mod. So what we're going to be doing on this w126 is a complete teardown and rebuild. Currently it has the stock Merc straight 6. So the carb's been fitted on it and it's runs like death. So we're going to be changing that out. We've got a special set of wheels for the car. It's going to get repainted, new interior. So when it leaves here, it's going to be a brand new car, which is what the customer's looking for. So that's what we're going to supply. Okay, so as you can see, the motor's worse for wear. It's seen better days. So we're going to tear out all this completely down to nothing. And we're going to throw a Barra in here, a Barra with a territory rear wheel drive box. So yeah, it's going to put some power down, but we're not looking to build a race car or anything. It's just going to be a car with a bit of power and some boost. So this is going to get a nice little revamp. Okay, so for the wheels, we're going to be throwing on a set of 17-inch BBS RS wheels, OEMs. They are 3-piece splits. Thanks for clearing that up, Stratton. So yeah, we're going to have them widened, play around with them a bit to get the perfect offset. And yeah, customer specifically looked for these and we managed to make a plan and find them. They are not easy to get a hold of. Okay, so as you can see, the interior is brown and horrible and old. So yeah, we're gonna rip out all this stuff. The customer would like to go with a deep red, so we're gonna do a nice deep red leather, change the trims to a nice red. Okay, right guys, so you saw the Barra arrive. We managed to get it off the truck with a forklift, thanks to our neighbours Stellartrans. Big shout out to them. We ordered the motor from Mark's place down in Cape Town. Another shout out to them. They were quick, efficient. We paid, motor got delivered within a few days. Cheapest guys for the Barra motor as well. The reason being is they delivered it with everything. So it's got plenum intake, alternator, power steering pump, all the tensioners, exhaust manifold. Other guys are selling the motors for around the same price with nothing, just sub-assembly, head and sump. So yeah, what we're going to do now, we're going to throw it on an engine stand, we'll remove the plenum, exhaust manifold, and then Jacques will give it a nice little clean up. And yeah, we will be changing the plenum to an aftermarket front intake plenum. We're going to throw on a GT35, small amount of boost in it. This is the NA Barra from the Ford Territory, not the STs. So yeah, we're not going to go wild. It is going to go in the w126 Merc. So yeah, let's follow along. so we got the Merc on the lift. Myself and Jacques are going to tear it down. We're basically going to take everything out except the ABS module and the brake booster. We'll keep those. Everything else, radiator, lights, this horrible Frankenstein motor, and yeah, clean the bay, get the bay all prepped. We might keep this, we're not quite sure, but that will go as we'll decide as we go. Cool, so we got the motor out. It was a bit of a struggle. Lots of random connections and stuff, but it's out, it's done. What we're going to be doing next is cleaning up the bay, getting rid of everything else, but we'll be doing that on the next episode. So yeah, for now we're probably going to either scrap this or see what we can get for it in weight, or see what the owner wants to do with it. And yeah, next up is the bay fitting the Barra. Thanks for watching, guys. I was going to pick it up, don't stress.